ये रात के बाद ही तो सवेरा होता है। तेरा मुझसे है पहले का नाता कोई, यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता कोई, जाने तू। He knows it.
डैडी मुझसे बोला तू गलती है मेरी, तुझ पे जिंदगानी गिल्टी है मेरी, साबुन की शक्ल में बेटा तू तो निकला केवल झाग 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 भाग।
अभी आपका कार प्रोटेक्टेड है।
Welcome to the Bombay Journey powered by Castrol Magnetec. How are you doing?
Very well, thank you. Thanks for having me.
Never have I ever texted the artist directly and said हम इंटरव्यू करें, आपने बोला हाँ करते हैं, we spoke and then we're doing this today.
हाँ, I assume कि वैसे बहुत मैनेजर्स और एजेंट्स वगैरह होंगे, PR लोग होंगे,
करेक्ट,
जो नॉर्मली बैक सीट में छुपे रहते हैं। आई अज्यूम
नहीं
ऐसा कभी हुआ है? मैंने उन सब लोगों को अपनी ज़िंदगी से हटा दिया है। मेरे कोई PR लोग नहीं है, कोई एजेंट नहीं है, कोई मैनेजमेंट नहीं है, नो टीम, none of that.
When did this happen though?
Well, it happened क्योंकि 10 साल से तो मैंने कोई फिल्म बनाई नहीं,
हाँ,
so I did not have need for any of those things. तो मैंने सब छोड़ दिया। अब मैं सोच रहा हूँ थोड़ा और काम करने लगूँ, but I am only doing it at such a small scale that so far I still don't need any of these people.
लेकिन भाई आपकी कुछ अलग लेवल फॉलोइंग है यार. माय प्रोड्यूसर इज अ सुपर फैन.
I guess I'm always even now I'm still a little taken aback by it. जब लोग कहते हैं कि अरे आपकी फिल्म देखिए, अच्छा really? आपकी फिल्म अच्छी लगी, you liked it, अरे amazing.
वाह वाह वाह.
So the whole thing for me is still a little surprising.
Nice. You just moved to Carter Road, but the Carter Road has been home though.
Well, Bandra has been home.
Yeah.
My granddad bought his house here in 1962.
Oh wow.
And my grandfather was a resident of Bandra, right near Mehboob Studio, since the late 50s, 55, 56. वो भी उन दिनों में वो एक assistant dialogue writer थे.
Oh wow.
He moved from UP, and he was an assistant dialogue writer for films.
But you've moved around इधर ही ना, आसपास ही आप लोग रहे.
I have moved always within about 4-5 minutes walk on in Bandra.
That's so cool.
So the family has been on Pali Hill. Yeah, family has been on Pali Hill forever. About 5 years ago, I moved from middle of Pali Hill to the bottom of Pali Hill, which is Union Park.
So much change. Yeah. How could you?
And now in this month I am moving from Union Park a little further down the hill till Carter Road, but all within 5 minutes walk.
कोई जानकार व्यक्ति इसे गूगल मैप पे डाल के नीचे लिंक डालिएगा ताकि वो देख सकेंगे कितनी देर में कोई भाग सकता है इन एरियाज के आसपास. बट दे कैन आल्सो जस्ट ड्रॉप बाय ना, वो डर नहीं रहता.
हाँ,
जस्ट सडनली कोई घर वाला आ गया फटाक से.
I don't know if you have this feature in your house. मेरे घर में है. You can switch off the doorbell.
I do.
I switch it off all the time. I'm like, मैं घर पे नहीं हूँ. I'm not there only. See, the idea कि कोई घंटी बजाए and then you have to come running, चाहे वो दरवाजा हो या टेलीफोन, I don't subscribe to that. Just because you
उठा के रख दिया.
Right now you ring the bell and I have to come running, नहीं ऐसा नहीं. I don't work for the phone.
Very nice. We will move on to my segment called Protection के फंडे by Castrol Magnetec. We have to talk about your mother. वो साइकोलॉजिस्ट थी, तो आपका खुद मेंटल हेल्थ प्रोटेक्शन बचपन से ही चल रहा है क्यों?
Psychoanalyst, not psychologist. What my mother is a practitioner of, and also what I myself do for my mental health is called psychoanalysis.
ठीक है जी.
जो कि which is Sigmund Freud का नाम तो आप जानते ही होंगे.
Of course.
So the style and the model which he developed, which again we have seen in films, one person lies on the couch, उसके पीछे एक therapist बैठा रहता है with a notepad. That what we see mostly in films, that is analysis, psychoanalysis.
Okay जी.
How Sigmund Freud used to practice.
ठीक है.
So that is what I myself have been doing.
तो आप किसके साथ बैठते हो?
I go to my analyst, of course. I can't go to my mother. There have to be these professional boundaries,
Fair enough,
personal and professional boundaries.
Fair enough.
I have been going. अब मुझे 7 साल हो गए.
थेरेपी करते हुए
हाँ.
टॉक थेरेपी
Yes. 7 years now.
not bad at all but you seem like the guy who will just take his car and just leave for a road trip also where
Love
do
it.
do you do that and where
Huh?
all do you go
So we have an animal shelter in Karjat.
oh wow
My family is animal crazy, and we started by adopting one dog, one cat, one more dog, one more cat, and we reached a place where the house was overflowing with animals,
wow
and we're like, we can't manage. There are too many cats.
oh shit
So we have some land out in Karjat,
Kya
and
baat
we started to develop it into an animal shelter. So we've built we built housing for the animals, and we do it at a scale which we can maintain.
fair enough
So I'm out there couple of times a month. My dream, I would like to go every weekend.
oh wow
Actually, it is 1 or 2 weekends in the month.
which is fair बारिश के टाइम पे बढ़ जाता रहेगा अपने
बारिश के टाइम पे इतनी खूबसूरत है यार, I can't tell you. I mean, you know what Maharashtra
Karjat is
interior
just
Maharashtra
like
Karjat
आपको
is
सब वो भी दिखती है ना waterfall भी दिखती होंगी
green. Yeah,
हाँ.
beautiful.
and the kind of green that you like
Yeah. So for that, I bought a Thar, which also I have been kitting out and modding.
क्या बात है so in essence the road trips to Karjat are one where else
Not that much.
no Mahabaleshwar
यहाँ वहाँ sometimes, but that is like, once in a year, someone's birthday party, they do that. We are renting a bungalow in Mahabaleshwar.
हाँ.
So ऐसा the odd one-off thing. But my regular, at least once a month, if not more, road trip is the drive to the Karjat farm.
nice
And that, the house also I've made kind of with the idea that if you don't have 4x4, maybe you can't get there. The road is very kacha, it's very steep. I've not made a pakka rasta with, asphalt and cement and all. Like, just leave it, stones. My Thar can get there.
yeah
If your sedan can't reach there, sorry, you can't.
sorry
यहाँ
but
पे-
बचपन से did you have that relationship with the mechanics
Yeah.
क्या होता था पूरा मेरे को दिनचर्या बताओ आप जाते थे अपनी गाड़ी लेके और फिर
मेरी पहली गाड़ी जो कि मेरी थी was when I guess I was 19 years old. I got the Zen, Maruti Zen.
this is when you come back from LA
This is just before, in fact, I went. So I've spent my life bouncing back and forth. So in between, I had finished high school. I went to high school in Sunnyvale. So I finished high school, moved back to India, and at that point, I got my first car, which was the Zen LXI.
LXI
हाँ.
सादा Zen
But it was the old body type. उसके
Oh.
बाद they changed to that
The good
Zen,
design, the good
yeah, it
design.
was the good design.
yeah
After that, they changed to that tall one, the what they call the Zen Estilo,
correct नहीं
which
नहीं,
is so ugly. Sorry to anyone who has it.
नहीं. ये हमारा गाड़ी का वो है इक्विपमेंट हाँ बॉम्बे जर्नी देखते हो ना आप
नहीं देखते?
भाई को पता नहीं है आप नहीं देखते क्या देखो यूट्यूब चलाते हो तो देखो मजा आएगा
Like and subscribe.
we have at least 3 of our toll folks
हाँ.
who are fans
Nice.
so
okay.
I don't know भाई आप लोग इन लोग को क्यों नहीं दिखा रहे एक नंबर वालों को दिखाओ प्लीज कैश लेते हैं ये लोग the road trips abroad are to what places and what are your favorite fun moments from there
Abroad, I've done a couple of very, very awesome road trips. In California and Australia, they have a road which they call the Great Ocean Road.
this is not 66
No, not Route 66. This is the Pacific Coast Highway in California.
oh wow there is a Great Ocean Road in Australia also I
And
didn't know
there's
there was one in America as well
Yeah.
अरे वाह फिर क्या करने का उधर
It's just a very, very beautiful aesthetic drive. So in California, it goes along the west coast. A highway that goes along the west coast.
कितना लंबा जर्नी होता है और ये
That I could not tell you.
सब अमेरिका वाली पब्लिक जो मैशेबल इंडिया देखती है प्लीज हमें इस टाइम पे आप लोग ये सारी डिटेल दे दीजिएगा किलोमीटर द अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम इट टेक्स
In miles actually.
टोल वोल कितना लगता है
So I've done that drive a couple of times. Particularly the San Francisco to Los Angeles. That is the that's a significant chunk of it.
क्या बात
That's a beautiful drive. Great Ocean Road in Australia. Oh,
Dude. That just is. It should be everybody's bucket list.
Everybody's bucket list. And I did that drive. So in Australia, they have these cars called Holdens. Holden is an Australian car manufacturer.
Correct. The manufacturer is only from there.
Yeah. So I drove and Holden, it was like called an SV6, the V6 engine,
Oof.
which was a lot of fun. Makes this nice sound.
But आप surfing नहीं करते?
हाँ करता हूँ. I windsurf.
तो उधर रुके नहीं फिर?
Yeah, I did a little bit.
Surfers capital बोलते हैं ना?
Surfers capital. So I'm not at that level. I can
Basic.
balance on the board for 4 or 5 minutes, long enough to get one good photograph and then fall off.
Dude, that's not bad at all. Huh?
That's my level of.
Anyhow, so then जाने ना होती कैसे फिर आपकी जिंदगी में? पता है स्टोरी कुछ 2 बार बोली आपने?
जाने तू या जाने ना came about. Here we are in South Bombay, in fact. Right on this stretch where I rode the horse down on
Yes.
on this stretch.
Correct.
जाने तू या जाने ना came about.
You learned horse riding for it, na?
I learned horse riding for the film. हाँ.
Yeah.
Abbas Tyrewala was making the film.
Correct.
And he had an idea in his head. He's like कि मुझे एक young film बनानी है with young, fresh, new people, not with existing stars.
Correct.
2004-2005 की बात है.
अच्छा उनको ये आइडिया तभी से है.
I signed the film in 2005.
What?
हाँ.
तो आप क्या 15 साल की पिक्चर साइन करके बैठे हुए थे?
The film had a long journey. When I
Oh,
signed the film was being produced by Jhamu Sugandh. Amir had no involvement in it.
Oh really?
They were making a new film. They put out casting calls. Large number of people came, boys, girls, everyone screen tested, auditioned, all of it. A number of people who are today working actors
Yeah.
also tested for that part.
Oh wow.
So in all of that, I got finalized and a couple other actors got finalized, and we started pre-production under the banner of Jhamu Sugandh Productions.
ठीक है.
What happened is while we were in pre-prod, he had some financial difficulties. और उनकी 2 और फिल्में बन रही थी. He had 3 films on the floor.
Oh.
जाने तू या जाने ना, which was in pre-production. Gulal, Anurag
Oh.
Kashyap's film, which was
Oh.
shooting, and Johnny Gaddar, which had also started shooting.
Oh damn. 3 very very big films for Indian cinema.
Jhamu Sugandh, who is now passed, was a very kadak and bright producer. He was a solid guy. He was the financer, co-producer of Lagan also.
Oh gee, wow.
So he was he was a formidable figure in the industry, and a clean, decent guy.
Nice.
So these were the 3 films that he was making at that moment, and as he ran into these difficulties, all of these films stalled. लेकिन वो दोनों फिल्में on the floors थी, they were shooting.
तो फिर भी किसी हाल से निकल जाती हैं.
Yeah, तो we understood at that point कि जैसे ही funds आ जाएंगे, पहले वहाँ जाएंगे because they have started
चालू
rolling.
हो गया. हाँ.
We have not yet rolled. So our film got stalled. This is 2005. तो 6-7 महीने के लिए we were in limbo, and a couple of the actors dropped out. The original cast for Aditi and
कौन होती थी अदिति पहले?
originally actually that role was being played by Sarah Jane Dias.
Oh what?
Yeah.
Oh damn.
हाँ.
कुछ अलग ही होती है उनकी
Yeah.
दुनिया आज फिर.
So I was 22. The film then was in limbo for a while, and in that time we went to a couple of producers. Abbas approached 1-2 producers, and they said, "यार, इस लड़के को निकाल दो, मेरे बेटे को ले लो."
हाँ okay fair. ऐसे बोला जाता था देखिए.
हाँ,
अभी भी बोला जाता है.
अभी भी बोला जाता है.
हाँ.
And Abbas said, "नहीं, and those guys were already kind of established actors at that time.
Oh.
So he could have gotten more budget with them, but they were guys who were 29, 30 ऐसे. They were already they were
not young.
They were not of that age. So Abbas said, "नहीं, it's not correct. I want new fresh faces. So he stuck to his guns. At that point, I had asked Amir if he would introduce me to someone at UTV.
Okay, fair enough.
UTV was still a pretty new production company at
Yeah.
that point.
But Sid was at the helm already.
No, that was at that time it was under Ronnie Screwvala.
Oh, Screwvala was there.
Haan.
Oh, superb. Okay.
So this is 2005, 2006.
Oh, 2005.
Yeah.
So he's still doing his star business that time.
Yeah. So I asked him, "Okay, can you introduce us to someone over there? You know, we'd like to. We're trying to find a producer."
Haan.
And he took that characteristic Amir Khan pause and said, "You know, I'm a producer.
Like that. Like.
You know, I'm a producer." I said, "Huh,
But
but you are like serious producer, you know."
Yeah.
Like he had made Lagan. He was making Tare Zameen Par as like making that other film about dyslexia and all.
Yeah.
Ye college rom-com. What will why would you be interested in it?
Correct.
So he said, "नहीं ऐसी बात थोड़ी है." Of course, I mean, let me hear. So after that, we waited 6 months ish, waiting to get time from him to hear the script. And finally, he heard the script from Abbas, and he's like, "I like this. I will make it." And so it's finally in late 2006 when he came on board the film.
Oh, wow.
That was the journey of getting Jaane Tu till there. It still took us another year and a half to complete the film and release it. So for me, the journey was from 2005 till 2008 when the film actually came out.
That's true. I was just counting the years right now in my head.
Yeah.
हम जाने तो ये जाने ना की
Oh,
बात
oh.
करते करते सेंट जेवियर्स कॉलेज के क्वाड्रेंगल में एंट्री मारने की पूरी तैयारी
Really,
लेके
look at this, yeah. It's been so long since I've been here.
दिस इज द क्वाड्रेंगल दिस इज
Yeah.
द एंट्री गेट ना
So this is where we used to go in while we were shooting.
या सो यू ऑल आर शूटिंग आप लोग काफी मतलब लंबा इधर शूट किए होगे
काफी शूट किया है इस
College
इस
में।
कॉलेज में. We've shot in the canteen, that पूरा canteen का fight
हाँ.
sequence. That was a big shoot. We shot huge chunks of Kabhi Kabhi Aditi all along the corridors up there and in the central quad.
तो आप लोग कैसे वीकेंड पे शूट करते थे
हाँ, weekend पे
है
shoot
ना?
करते थे mostly. We have done. We did a lot. As I remember, some we did while there were students also. And the whole thing of because it's the first film, so nobody knows. And I had this whole experience, of sitting on the side while they're setting up track and camera. तो वो जो कैमरा के टेक्नीशियंस है and whoever all of that is happening. So somebody walked up and stood next to me and is watching. क्या चल रहा है? It's like shooting. अच्छा. कौन सी पिक्चर? It's जाने तू या जाने ना. जाने तू या जाने ना. हीरो कौन है? ऐसे मैं हूँ. अच्छा चल ऑटोग्राफ दे दे.
आई लव मुंबई उसको फर्क नहीं पड़ता पोस्टेरिटी के लिए बचा के रखा उसने
Yeah.
कि अगर बड़ा हो गया तो जस्ट इन केस
That's what.
So Lota Imran Khan, did that make you really happy? Because like that's a lot of love from Twitter.
Happy is not actually the correct way to describe it. It is a deeply emotional experience. Because happiness is this is another thing. Because I cut off that part. I said, I'm not there. I'm not that guy. People normally work very hard to hold on to the spotlight.
Yeah.
छोड़ते नहीं है. लोग मेरा इंटरव्यू नहीं ले रहे हैं. I will keep putting interviews on social media. Say, hi guys, I'm here to talk to you about my whatever. नहीं किया. I did the opposite of what everyone does, and I said, I'm not there. I don't exist. I'm not.
आप करते हैं क्या थे?
I was a full-time father.
Yeah.
I was working. I was working to fix my mental health. I knew I was in a place where I was not strong. I was not capable. I didn't feel like the best version. And I thought, okay, acting and that part of it is not something that I have to do. I have to be there for my daughter. This is more important. I have to fix my health. That is more important. So I said, छोड़ दो, नहीं है, drop it. Fix self, be there for your daughter. That is what I have been doing for the past, now it's been 5 years that I've been separated, divorced. We share custody. My daughter is with me Thursday to Sunday. So on those days, I am full-on present father. I don't have a didi or a nanny. I don't have a maid. So I cook her breakfast. I put her to bed at night. I drive her to school in the Thar because she doesn't like the Polo. So that's what I did. I said I will be there. These days when my child is with me, I will be there as a father and do all of the things so that she knows, she has the experience that my father cared enough that he is there. The days that she is not with me often were very low, very weak days that I was
Figuring yourself.
crumbling and trying to stay alive.
That's a good movement. From there, so nice to have you, man. You
Thank
didn't,
you.
Did you not change dimensions body-wise? Because that seems to happen to people.
I lost all of the muscle.
Muscle.
I'm naturally a very skinny guy. As long as I was trying to
So
be
then you
a
put this
hero.
back on.
No, this is me normally. I was much beefier because I
Oh.
was stuffing the whey protein, the creatine, and all of this. A couple years in the middle, I started juicing with the steroids and all of that to try and look like a hero. My body couldn't
बोले थे
sustain
क्या
it.
कोई आपको? Let's talk उधर के भी चलो quadrangle तक चलते चलते.
Yep.
So
Man,
back to doing some fun talk.
back to college after all these years.
Yeah, dude.
This is the place. This is the place.
कहाँ था सीन आपका?
यहाँ का this is where we shot the fight scene with Aditi and Sushant. सबसे पहले तो उनका fight शुरू होता है. Then
इधर ही होता है ना, सेंटर में होता
exactly
इधर ही
यहाँ.
होता है.
This is where we shot it.
है. Yeah.
From there, right in this area. So the whole circle was over here, to kind of stopping the crowd. एक मिनट, मुझे लड़ना नहीं था. And they have this
खाना
whole
खाएगा
conversation.
क्या
हाँ क्या अच्छा. So if we're not friends, उसके बाद तू मुझे drink पिलाएगा. हाँ पिलाएगा क्या है? He takes the money.
तो
He says,
वो बोल
अरे
चुका है.
पैसे नहीं है तेरे पास पैसे. अरे and then he catches that other friend also. He says, अरे listen,
Pay for this.
you pay for it. So उसमें उसको लपेट लेते हैं. Gives him a soft drink. ऐसे चल तू पी ले. Okay bro. And exits. And the corridors up there is where we shot those bits of Kabhi Kabhi Aditi.
Yeah.
Walking along that.
The super fans also have told me that there is a whole thing where you come out of the darkness into the light exactly on the lyrics.
के बाद ही तो सवेरा होता है. We had to time it for when the sun is in a correct spot,
हाँ.
where we had sunlight on one side
हाँ.
and shade on the other, and we're kind of at that place now. See, right now it's gone a little overhead,
Correct.
but earlier on we had the entire side in shade and the entire side in darkness.
The beauty of the fact कि हम लोग जब शूट कर रहे हैं तभी यहाँ पर एक
Yeah.
शूट का सेटअप भी हो रहा है.
All of that up there.
तो ये डार्क है
Yeah.
और आप निकल के आते हो.
निकल के नहीं आता हूँ. It was a round camera.
हाँ.
I'm in the center and the camera goes around, and it was like that. क्योंकि रात के बाद ही तो सवेरा होता है.
Ah,
It was the camera moves to kind of see the dark, and then the light. One shot we did on this.
करके दिखाओ क्या किए.
It was like that. The kind of moving camera from behind. So I think Aditi शायद वहाँ से जा रही है और कैमरा यहाँ से आता है. And as she goes, had to pick up with the camera and move like that.
Correct.
And then there was one whole bit of dancing in the center over there.
Dude.
Also, we did one bit over here. यहाँ पे एक bench था,
हाँ.
where this guy is sitting with the chocolate and he
Correct.
breaks the chocolate and I come and take the chocolate.
Yeah.
All of that we did.
So
Man,
भाई.
how crazy to be here again, yeah.
Correct.
This is the one.
This is the one.
This is the one.
हाँ. Never have you ever done this also. दो फिल्में नहीं चली ना. Luck and Kidnap didn't work.
Yeah. काफी फिल्में नहीं चली. And to be fair, I did not have a lot of faith in Kidnap. Through the making, you have a sense कि why
You have an
are
idea ना. Idea तो लग जाता है. अब ऐसा मैं वैनिटी में बैठता था as an AD. and tell my other ADs कि भाई ये नहीं चल रही.
Yeah. So creatively, I was not in sync with Kidnap. जब वो फिल्म बन रही थी, अब उस फिल्म का डायरेक्टर बहुत बड़ा डायरेक्टर था. He had just made Dhoom and Dhoom 2. So, and at that point, while I was making the film, I had not had any releases. I shot Jaane Tu, then I shot Kidnap, then I shot half of Luck, then Jaane Tu released.
Oh really?
हाँ. So at the time that I was shooting Kidnap, I had no value like that. He was a big star. So you do what the director tells you. He's the boss. I was creatively finding that I'm not in sync with this. I'm not getting it. But you don't want to. He said, "I have made such big hit films. What do you tell him?" So also, I was never given the whole script of Kidnap.
What?
Not important enough, no. तो
Oh.
मुझे डे टू डे सीन्स दिए जाते थे. ये डायलॉग है. मुझे डायरेक्शन ऐसा दिया जाता था. पहला लाइन यहाँ से यहाँ तक बोलो, पॉज लेके अपना सर इतना टर्न करके बाकी के डायलॉग बोलो. यहाँ से 3 कदम लेके यहाँ रुको, then raise your head and then say this line.
Dude, that's why you
Like
seemed so mechanical in the film.
Because it was exactly that. He would not allow you to do anything outside of that. He would shoot rehearsal with ADs, record it on video assist. So AD will walk 3 steps till here, stop, turn this much, say this much of the line, take 2 more steps, and then finish the line. And you have to exactly that. Cannot change. So again, I had no power in it. He is a successful and big director. You do what he says. By the time I got to watch the whole film, I had also, since I had not read the whole script,
You were like, oh, it made sense.
I was like, अच्छा ऐसा होता है. Because any of the scenes that I was not in,
You didn't know jack
I didn't know उस scene में क्या होता है.
Shit, man.
So by the time I watched the film the weekend before release, I watched it. I said,
गया.
"Gaya."
Ouch.
That is the thing, no? It is, as I say, it is a multitude of people. As a 25-year-old guy in a film being directed by a veteran, successful director with another big star, in all of that, how much ownership can I take of the film? Not a lot.
हाँ, ये बहुत बड़ा सवाल है. देखिए, भारत में जितने हम लोग बैठे हैं, हम लोग पिक्चरों को और मैचेस को अपने उतना जज करते हैं, ये नहीं जानते हुए कि भाई कुछ नहीं तो 500,000 लोग का काम जाता है उसमें, तब जाके वो गोल्ड निकलता है, जिसके लिए हम
Exactly.
कट्टू मतलब 15-20 साल बाद उस जगह की लोकेशन पे बैठ के ट्रिप मार रहे हैं. बट इन एसेंस पोस्ट दोस 2 फिल्म्स, दैट पीरियड आल्सो कुड हैव डन बैड फॉर यू ना, बिकॉज देयर इज अ सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ हाई यू गॉट आफ्टर जाने तू,
Yeah.
एंड then 2 tanks.
Yeah.
That must have done something to your head.
Yeah. Well, you know, at that point, I was still early enough in my journey where I did not really so much buy into. Nah, allowed नहीं है. Where I did not so much buy into those things, and I was very chill about. देखो, commercial
रहता है.
box office. This is part of an actor's career. Like, if you actually sit and tally down hits and flops of any actor,
Yeah.
probably there'll be more flops than hits.
Correct.
That's the nature of the thing. So I never had that baggage at that time. आगे जाते जाते जाते, the people who surround you, the voices in your ear, the people who say ऐसा करने का, that started to get more and more toxic, basically. Saying कि अरे your brand value ऐसा है, your star value इतना है, पता है वो कितना कमा रहा है, उसके endorsements इतने हैं, you heard. And more and more, those voices then start to sit inside the head and you start to
Yeah.
internalize it. That is, so that is something that started to build later and later in the last couple of years while I was working. Because at that point I had a whole system and team of agency, management team, brand specialists, all of those people.
The whole spiel.
Haan. That is where really those voices then started to become
Extra.
extra, and where then you start to say, अच्छा शायद मैं गलत हूँ. I always used to say, अरे you do it for the love of the art, and hits and flops are part of the thing, and दिल पे मत लो.
Yeah.
But then you start to say, maybe I'm wrong. Money is king. Box office is very important. I'm not earning as much. That guy is earning more. मेरा एंडोर्समेंट इतना ही है, उसका एंडोर्समेंट उतना है।
एंडोर्समेंट वाला गेज भी एक होता है ना, बहुत ही
हाँ,
फालतू एक मेट्रिक जो
which is actually nothing
no
to do with
nothing to
movies.
do with acting.
And nothing to do with movies.
Yeah, nothing to do with movies.
So actually my interest is movies.
Yeah.
I love movies. The rest of it is all extra, and everyone gets more caught up and you pay more attention to that and you forget hey yaar actually शुरू किस लिए किया था? To tell stories. Because you felt an emotional thing. You're like, I laugh here, I cry there, I feel love and I feel warmth. Actually, that is why we do. And I lost track of that. And I lost the value of that. So, a film, the second to last film which I did, this film called Gori Tere Pyar Mein. Box office disaster. Such a disaster that I got dropped from the next two films which I was supposed to be doing.
Oh really?
The producers, nikalo isko.
Ouch.
अपना पूरा शूट यहीं हुआ, यहाँ कैंटीन में शूटिंग किया है, वहाँ क्वाड्रैंगल में. One dialogue. I never remember the dialogues. Which is your favorite one you remember?
Anyone you tell me just.
देखो मुझे लड़ना नहीं था, लेकिन तूने कोई choice नहीं दिया.
Nice.
That's the scene we shot here.
Yeah.
This is the song. तेरा
हाँ.
मुझसे है पहले का नाता कोई, यूं ही नहीं दिल लुभाता कोई, जाने तू. He knows it.
Yes, I know.
या जाने ना.
I think I sang this song.
Yeah.
I think so.
So that's the name of the film, and that's a song which we all sang in the movie also.
Yes.
Jaane Tu.
चलो. See you.
Awesome.
Thank you, sir.
Hey,
Bye.
thanks for watching the films, yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, Vivan, na? Vivan and Anthony.
But good fun, yeah.
Good fun. And here, Rang Bhavan used to come here for all the concerts. iRock used to be here every year.
तो कहाँ से खाना खा रहे होते हो भाई, और कहाँ का आप फैन रहे हो?
Suzette is a long time favorite of mine.
Perfect. You're not like the वो कौन सी अपनी जो दूसरी रोल की जगह है?
Who is the on Carter Road?
Ayaz.
Ayaz is.
हाँ.
I've never tried Ayaz.
What are you saying? You've never tried Ayaz's, bro?
To be fair, I've never tried Ayaz. I'm a Kababi's loyalist.
Did you never hang out at like a Janta or a yacht?
Janta to all the time.
Yeah, dude.
Back in those days, Janta was famous for the party packs.
Yeah.
So this again, it was a different time. People used to drive up to Janta and get a party pack where you choose your alcohol and you choose the soft drink. You know, whiskey, Coke, or
Yeah, yeah,
Sprite, and
yeah.
Thumbs Up, and vodka, Sprite.
Soda, woda, हाँ.
So everyone would make 2-3, और फिर गाड़ी में बैठ के we used to go to South Bombay to go to the clubs.
Oh.
But we used to do this thing to save money, because you don't want to spend on the drinks in the
Correct.
clubs. So yeah, Janta for their party packs and for the late night meals.
Don't drink and drive.
You're never so yeah.
Yeah.
I'm talking about for passengers and all.
Yeah. No, but we always give disclaimer. देखिए,
Ah, please.
ये ऐसी सब शेयर करते हैं हम बातें, तो ये आपको
So,
बताते हुए चलते हैं बस.
Janta is also a good old Bombay classic. There is a famous Bombay classic which I believe they closed recently. So before Sea Link, when you drive to South Bombay and you used to drive back, you used to go via Mahim.
Correct.
तो वो शिवाजी पार्क, माहिम शिवाजी पार्क के एरिया में there was one place that used to be open late night where you could get food at 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the morning.
What are you saying? What is this place?
Rajput Chinese.
Rajput Chinese. Interesting.
So this place would do, you could get a whole bunch of things. You could get assorted Chinese,
Okay, of course.
Rajput Chinese. You know, triple Szechuan and American chop suey and all.
The
all of
go-tos,
this.
मतलब
The
जो हैं.
late night go-tos. And you could get desi stuff. You could get
Manchurian.
vada pav and
Oh, what? Vada pav?
yeah, Mumbai.
Rajput Chinese. Yeah, vada pav सब जगह मिलता है.
So you'd get pav bhaji and all of these things. So the question at night, when you're coming back late at night and you're hungry, is कि आज देसी हो या Chinese?
Chinese, सही बात.
Rajput Chinese पे दोनों मिलेगा. But you sit down, you choose कि am I doing a pav bhaji or am I doing a triple Szechuan?
Correct. देखिए बहुत कम लोग हैं जो ट्रिपल शेजवान की पूरी कदर करते हैं। कुछ रील डिबेट्स चालू हुए हैं बिरयानी और ट्रिपल शेजवान के बीच, बस
Just for clarity, do you think that they have triple Szechuan in China?
I was about to say something with an abuse, but like
If you go to China, can we find a triple Szechuan anywhere over there, or is this an Indian invention?
डैश से नहीं भाई सवाल।
The gobi Manchurian, we know that we cannot find anywhere in China.
या और चिकन 65
Chicken 65, but that is desi only.
या वी
Oh.
इन्वेंटेड इट इन चेन्नई।
Gobi Manchurian sounds like it's from Manchu province in China, no?
और मांचाओ सूप
Triple Szechuan.
could also be कि बेजिंग गए फिर वुहान रुके फिर
So this is my question: how many of these, if I go to China, can I find a gobi Manchurian anywhere?
या
Can I find a triple Szechuan anywhere? Can I find American chop suey anywhere in China?
सुपर्ब, दिस इज ग्रेट।
Inquiring minds want to know if there are any viewers who have visited
Yeah, no,
or who
no.
live in China.
वी हैव
Please give us this information. China में triple Szechuan मिलता है या नहीं? When I was 28 years old, 29 years old, I came into some money and I bought myself a Ferrari.
या यू आर द खान दैट सोल्ड हिज फरारी।
And as a 28-year-old who's just got some money and bought a Ferrari, you don't know shit about how to drive these things.
या यू डोंट राइट।
You know, it's a lot more power and a lot more car than you can actually realistically handle. And I quickly figured that oh, this car is bigger than me.
या
I'm not getting anywhere near the capabilities of this vehicle. Which was kind of a thing of acha. Now you can have the bank and you can buy yourself a Lambo and drive around Bandra. So instead I ditched those things and said iska maza nahi hai, and get a car that is that you can take to the edge.
या
Like the limitation should I should not be the limitation. The
यू
vehicle
ट्विकिंग इट एज पर यू।
yeah, and between the car and me, I should not be the weak link in it, because the Ferrari has more power, more all of this than I can actually realistically handle.
Yeah.
I'm likely to spin this thing out because of my inexperience.
हाउ इट्स मेड या
Whereas with a car that you are closer to its capabilities, you're not going to find that edge. You're already driving close to the edge and like, this is pretty scary.
Correct.
I don't want to go faster than this.
या मुझे पता है इससे ज्यादा ये झेल नहीं पाएगी, शटर करेगी।
मैं झेल नहीं पाऊंगा.
हाँ
So
सही बात
both of us have to be in sync.
करेक्ट।
If Ferrari can go faster, then I'm comfortable going.
भाई आई रियली थैंक दैट फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन तुपुर शायक सरकार हु टॉट मी ब्रेक एंटिसिपेशन। ब्रेक एंटिसिपेशन को तवज्जो नहीं दी जाती इतनी।
Yeah.
ब्रेक एंटिसिपेशन सब कुछ है, फिर आपका झटका नहीं मारता गाड़ी
Yeah,
आपको।
just this much from before. And the thing of the difference between I'm putting on the throttle and
Yeah.
brake.
या
There is a thing of acha, I ease up on the throttle a bit.
करेक्ट। थैंक
Which
यू।
way, this way or this way?
Yeah, just put it. I don't know. We'll figure now. We'll know now. And just roll it. Perfect. Well done. So you were saying brake anticipation.
Brake anticipation. Yeah, there are these little bits of driving dynamics, particularly helpful in an urban scenario where traffic, people are stopping all the time. So the difference between accelerate, stand on the brake,
No,
or
no.
itna accelerate and ease up.
Wait, yeah.
Maybe by the time I go there, the car will itself
Correct, decelerate.
lose enough speed
Yeah.
that I don't actually have to stand on the brake.
Correct.
So these little subtle things, Bombay drivers.
Just love your engine a little more. देखिए हमारी गाड़ी तो नॉन स्टॉप प्रोटेक्टेड है,
Yeah.
बट ये ध्यान रखना आपको चाहिए। सिंपल। भाई हम लोग को बोला गया है कि कवि कहते हैं भाग भाग डी के बोस डी के बोस डी के बोस। तो कितना याद है गाना, और क्या हम जैम कर सकते हैं उस पे एक सेकंड, क्योंकि हम सीलिंग पे हैं। डैडी
do,
मुझसे
do.
बोला तू गलती है मेरी,
डैडी
मुझसे बोला तू गलती है मेरी, तुझ पे जिंदगानी गिल्टी है मेरी, साबुन की शक्ल में
बेटा
तू तो निकला केवल झाग झाग भाग 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 ओ
No,
इसमें
no, tum tum. Oh by God, लग गई क्या से क्या हुआ, देखा तो कटोरा, झांका तो कुआं,
झाका तो कुआ
पिद्दी जैसा चूहा, तुम पकड़ा तो निकला काला नाग.
नाग
नाग भाग 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 डीके बॉस भाग भाग डीके बॉस
भाग.
Oh my God,
What happened?
the lyrics sound like when you say the DK boss, but the
Oh damn, dude! What are you saying? Could they have meant that?
I'm suddenly having a realization moment, guys.
You're kidding, no?
What did I say? क्या बुलवाता है यार मुझसे?
मैंने नहीं बोला ऐसा सर. वो लिटरेचर है सर. एक कवि ने कहा. पर कैसा लगा आपको?
It's a lot of fun. Thank you.
मजा आया ना?
मजा आया. Have to sign the cushion.
Yes, we have to. That's why I was wondering कि
कुछ तो रह गया.
कुछ रह गया. क्या रह गया? ये आप लोग जाइए प्रोटेक्शन के फंडे सेगमेंट में और देखिए ध्यान से, और अगर आपने सही जवाब दिया जिसका हमने मांगा है तो आपको ये मिलेगा. लाओ हम भी करना पड़ता है. वाह भाई मस्त है एकदम. फील्स.
I had to develop an autograph which is different from my bank signature.
Same, bro, same.
I learned this lesson after giving out a few. I said, do the same thing which you do, and then I was like, oh no, wait, that's a problem. You can't do that. Invent a different thing.
क्विक रियलाइजेशन एंड गुड रियलाइजेशन. बट थैंक यू सो मच. आप लोगों को अच्छा लगा तो प्लीज लाइक शेयर कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू टेल अस व्हाट यू थॉट अबाउट इट. कमेंट्स जहाँ हमने बोले ना वो सब चीज़ करनी पड़ेंगे आपको. हम आके वेरीफाई करेंगे. ये खुद आते हैं यूट्यूब कमेंट देखने. डू यू?
Not really.
बट इस वाले के लिए आएंगे.
But if you screenshot and send me entertaining comments, then I laugh and I'll.
वाओ सो मच मेहनत. ओके आई विल डू इट. डन. Ciao folks.
Bye.